Hello, good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to the science portion of our English class today. I hope you've had a few times to play our game, Eat or Be Eaten. And today we're going to reflect on the game. Right? So I want you to think back to the times that you played the game and think about what's always ends up being at the top of the food chain. Is there anything that isn't eaten by anything else? All right, so that's up the food chain. And now I want to think about what's ended up at the bottom of the food chain. What's at the bottom of your food chain? What do you think that eats? All right, so those two questions I want you to think about. If you need to go back and play the game another time, feel free to do that. All right, and both of these questions will be discussion posts as your science assignment today. All right, so I really encourage you to spend some time thinking. Form your answer in a complete sentence using capital letters and periods. Okay, and if you can support your answer or give reasons for your answer, that makes it even stronger. All right, so we're reflecting on our science and working on our writing. All right, good luck.